Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Isaac Ramirez, and I'm bringing you the word of the day. Today's word of the day is escrow. Now, by Wikipedia standards, I'll let you read the legal definition of what escrow is. You done reading that? All right, now here's my standard definition of what escrow is. Escrow is simply a neutral third-party licensed company who's responsible for keeping track of the money. I mean, the money's as in when you want to buy a house, who's going to transfer the money from the buyer and lender, if they're using one, to the seller. I mean, think of it like this. You don't want to hand off the money to some stranger that doesn't have a fiduciary duty to you. They can go off and take off and go to Cancun if all you know, which I'll be there next month. But nonetheless, with respect to escrow, their job is to simply count the pennies. So when your lender funds your loan and gives you the monies to purchase the property, they want to make sure that any liens or debts that the seller have on that property is paid off. So I always advise you to use a escrow company and therefore understand what escrow is, counting the money, to ensure that when you buy your property, you're going to be in good hands. Now, a little quick tip. Not every escrow company is associated with a title company. There are escrow companies out there that are solely independent, and they are there licensed and insured to ensure that when your wire comes through, that it goes to the proper person so that when you're ready to take title, you're in a good position to do so. So keyword, escrow. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and even share it to educate your friends and family to understand what escrow is. You never want to give a check to a stranger. You always want to take your check or wire your funds directly to escrow. Take care.